Hello my loves, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Gigi. Today we're going to use that Saviland gel that we bought, the thick stuff, and play with it and make 3D charms. 3D charms of shamrocks, because it is almost St. Patty's Day and we're going to celebrate that today with a shamrock wow. A sham wow, if you will. A sham wow set. We're going to... Sorry, I lost my momentum. We're going to come in with this pretty orange. I don't know why. I just thought it looked good with the green. And I didn't have any other ideas in mind. And I just really like it. I really enjoy orange. It's a beautiful color. So orange it is. But we need to take it from looking a little bit Halloween and bring it in to shamrock time. So we're going to take this gel. And I am going to grab some pigments. I have seen people use gel polish, so maybe we'll try that one day, but today we're going to use some pigments. These are not my Degata pigments. These are some that I bought. They're the first pigments I ever bought. They're real nice as well. I'm not saying I don't like them. I just really love my Degata ones, and I'm pretty sure I've said that before. So we're going to make this pretty green, and then I'm going to come in with the white just because I'm experimenting. These are new products to the channel, and so I want to play a little bit. But the white and green did not really, it wasn't giving me what I needed to feel from it. So, and the chrome makes it a little sticky. I'm going to tell you that right now. So I'm going to add a little more chrome, and I'm still not going to love it. So we're going to pull back that other green pigment and add some of that. And you can see it is starting to get pretty sticky. And wait till the third color. That one was the worst. So I'm going to come in, add a tiny bit of this, and continue mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing and sticking. And then we finally get to a place that I really, really love. You know, this stuff reminds me a little bit of... what is that stuff that you could pick up the pictures on the cartoons, on the Sunday morning cartoons? What is that? So now we've got this other green. This, for some reason, look, as soon as it gets in there, it made it so sticky like gum. Not fruit stripe gum, but, you know, like bubble gum. Silly Putty. Remember Silly Putty? Do they still have that? I've never seen it in the store at any time recently. So, but anyway, the consistency of it, once you start mixing it, feels like Silly Putty to me. So now what we're going to do is just make little balls with our gel, with our Silly Putty gel. Sorry, words are not working. With our Silly Putty gel, we're going to just make a circle and then, or a ball, and then set it on the nail, flatten it into a circle, and then I'm just going to press in to make the leaves of the clover, or the shamrock, if you will. It was so easy, you guys. I hemmed and hawed in my mind, planning this set out to decide how exactly I was going to make the shamrocks. This was the way to go, at least for me. This is only our second time playing with these, so it's just fun to try different things, and I can't wait to use them more. I feel like I want to get... there are different ones that are more almost like clay, I guess, or like the ones that Votino has on his shop. They're more... I want to say like Play-Doh, but not exactly. Like the clay that you can buy at an art store or something. So I want to keep trying some because it's just so much fun to bring new items into the channel and play with them and get an idea of what kind of art you can do, right? That's just super fun. Excuse me, I'm getting a little tickle in my throat. I'm going to pause here for a coffee sip. That was delightful. Oh, I love coffee so much. Anyway, I made a purchase off TikTok recently, and I just got it in today. It is so gorgeous. Actually, not it, the purchase is so gorgeous. It's this little shop that I was scrolling along and saw them doing a live stream, and they were selling nail gems, and I lost my mind. Actually, it was so inexpensive. They had, or TikTok itself, I don't know, there was a 50% off coupon. So I got $20 worth of gems for 10 bucks. And I just did 10 bucks because I wanted to see, how pretty they are before I invest any other money in it. I thought 10 bucks seems reasonable, so I got them. Oh my God, they're gorgeous. I cannot wait to show them to you guys. We're not going to do it in today's video because there's already a lot. It's already 20 minutes long. So we'll save that for another day, maybe the next video. I'm going to be doing my nails soon. So maybe on me, because like one of them is so, so pretty. It takes my breath away a little bit to look at them. Really, really gorgeous. And it's super fun to watch the live stream, and as she's showing them to you, you can claim the ones that you like. And I was like, okay, those, I want to claim those, and I want to claim those, and I'll take those. And when they came, I was just so excited to open my package. They're beautiful. So, so, so pretty. I made too much of that green gel. I'm going to tell you that right now. I do use a good bit of it, but there's still some left over. I think I'm going to jam it into some of my my little molds and make some 3D charms. And then also I saw this artwork recently where they made where it was a drawing of lily pads on water, and I thought, oh, that would make a pretty nail. So I'm, we're going to use it up. Let me just say that. I try really hard not to throw any of my gels away if I'm not, if I've made too much. Just like I did when I made that heart. If you watched the video where I opened this box, I made a marble heart. And so we're going to make marble shamrocks because I really loved that process. So here I am. I'm just breaking off pieces and rolling it out into a ropey shape, a wormy shape, whatever you want to say. I'm looking for somewhere to put it down. There we go. And then we're going to marble those together. It's really, guys, absolutely love it. Just to be different. And honestly, I'm struggling with deciding which nail is my favorite. The two tan ones, I didn't know exactly what I was going to do with them after I put the big shamrock on. And then once I started playing with gems and I pulled out the striping tape, it all came together in my mind, and I can't get over how much I love the tan nails. They are gorgeous. But then the beauty of the orange nails with all of the shamrocks, and you're going to see we're going to come in and encrust the crap out of them. You'll see when we get to back to the orange nails that, and I'm only going to show you one each of the gems because again, it's already 20 minutes. So, and then also I can use some of this footage to make shorts, and that's pretty fun too. Honestly, my shorts hit a little harder than the long form content. I enjoy making the long form content more, but it seems like people enjoy short content better. So you got to go with what people like, right? There you go. So this is where we're going with the striping tape. And this is a mistake that I made personally that I would redo if I was redoing this set. I would matte top coat as soon as I finish the striping tape and then just put the gems on. And if I needed to add, a dot of matte top coat here or there, I could do that because sometimes the gem juice is going to leak out and you need to cover that up, which is basically how I end up top coating all the orange nails, because you'll see in a minute. Oh my goodness, excuse me. It's been super windy here the last few days, and my allergies are out of control, and I just felt all this sinus pressure in my head. So here we go. We're going to make another crisscross, and it's going to give almost a weave pattern with the striping tape that I'm enjoying. And look at how pretty that is. Guys, I'm so sorry I got a little low in frame. I did not realize I had tapped my phone and moved it out of position. So this tiny bit of part right here, we go in and out of frame, and I do apologize for that. So now we're going to come in with those gold gems. Those gold gems are perfect for this set, right? They are so pretty. And I really like the white ones. I think they just add a little something extra, right? Bringing it out of just, you know, we could have just not done all gold gems, but the white gems, I think they're perfect with this set. And now we're going to take these orange nails and just make a trail around all of the shamrocks, the clovers, and encrust it with the gems. As I was doing the set, in my mind, I was just imagining a little leprechaun skipping along, leaving a trail of gems and gold and shamrocks in his wake, right? He's just skipping along, leaving a trail. And so that's kind of what I think of when I look at this, at the orange nails. It's just a trail that a leprechaun made. I don't know. It works in my head. If that's crazy, you let me know. Am I crazy? I don't think so. I don't think so. Anywhere that there's not enough room for an actual gem to fit, I'm just throwing in some gold beads, because gold is a perfect color to go with the gold gems and with the idea of St. Patrick's Day and leprechauns, because they love their gold, their pot of gold. Maybe we should do a pot of gold set. Let me know if you'd like to see that in the comment section below. Guys, we are getting closer and closer to 750 every day. If you've not, please hit that subscribe button. I want to give this box of goodies away. I'm going to make a video about it because I bought me the same box of goodies so that I could actually do an unboxing and show you what you're going to get in your prize. I think that's going to be super, super fun. And it's a fun prize. I'm really excited to give it away. So please, subscribe a Rooney. Today I saw, just as an aside, it came to my head, Lady Gaga's new song, Abracadabra. Love it. I love the choreography in that video. But somebody made a Lego version. Oh my gosh. Guys, it's fantastic. I love, love, love that song. Love it so much, and I love the Lego video. It's so great. I love Lady Gaga. I think she's amazing. Anyway, not everyone's a Gaga fan. That's okay. That's okay. Sorry, that just came out. I sing all the time, guys. I just constantly am singing. I don't know how to go through life without song coming out of my face, I guess. There you go. We're almost done with this nail. And like I said, I'm only going to show you one each of the gemmings, because if you do gems, you know it takes forever to put on a bunch of gems. You are just constantly grabbing gems and flipping gems over and adding the gel. And I don't mean to make it sound like I don't like doing it. I love putting on gems. But it is time consuming, and you're not going to, if you're thinking to yourself, I'm going to really gem out this nail and it's only going to take 2 minutes, it's not. It's going to take 20 minutes, 10 at least, right? Unless you're amazing and all your gems are completely flipped up. There you go. And I struggle to get them to flip sometimes. So let me know what your trick is to do that. Now we're just going to finish up with a little tail of gems coming down after we get these last couple placed. Now I had options with this. I could have made, and we're about to start with the top coat, and that's what's making me think about it. I really couldn't decide at first. Should I make the shamrock shiny, or should I make the shamrocks matte to go with the rest of the nails. And so what I did was just matte top coat one, pop it in the lamp, pull it out, and made my decision. I decided that I would go ahead and matte top coat all of the shamrocks as well. You have options. You don't have to do it that way. You could 100% make everything shiny. I just felt like the gems pop so hard when everything else is matte, and it just really catches your eye. So that is why I ended up making everything matte. And I'm not upset about it. So I'm just going to come in and hit around the edges. Really, that's it. Anywhere, because it's already matte top coated. Okay, we're going to hit those shamrocks. Sorry, brain fart. And I'm just going to hit the edges around here, because anywhere that the gem juice leaked out, you just don't want to leave that, because it's not going to match. It's not going to look matte. It's not going to be cute. And that's what you want. You're not putting on nails so that you look like you half-assed it, right? You want to really just don't get it on the gems, but make sure that everything, all the edges are all matted out. Otherwise, it's not as good. It's just not as good. And then we're going to come in and hit all of our shamrocks. And you're going to see in a minute why I feel like I made a mistake not matte top coating the striping tape before I put the gems on. It was a mistake, and I will not be making it again. Here we go. I cannot get a smooth stripe all the way down, and that's annoying because the gems are in the way. So I just have to make it work. But then also, even with the small brush, getting in there, it was a pain. So in the future, what I would do is just matte top coat the striping tape first, then come back and put the gems on, and then with hitting anything that leaked out with the tiniest bit of matte top coat would have made everything better. Because especially on this nail, I know I hit it with the top coat, and I had to pop off the gems and put them back on anyway. So there you go. Guys, this is our finished set. The first set for St. Patrick's Day this year. Maybe the only one, I don't know. I feel like we're going to at least do one more set for St. Patty's Day before it gets here. But I really love this set. I think they came out super duper cute. I put a poll on the channel, so if you haven't yet, go and answer that poll, because I'm going to do my own set, and it's regarding that. So give me a little love over there. Guys, let me know what you think about this set in the comment section. I really, really like it. I think it's super pretty. But you'd have to really love St. Patrick's Day to wear this. So if you do, maybe this is the set for you. You can just take this to your nail tech or to your nail table and make it for yourself. Guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I appreciate it so much. We are going to see you in the next video. And until then, I hope you have a marvelous day and rest of your week. Mwah! Bye-bye.